Hello everyone. This is Lamsago Anikatal video. Welcome everyone to my new video. So today, dini khechung porilainai shurunglainai unitary method tamnahon. Today we are going to see what is the meaning of unitary method. Unitary method to puila chungno hanjago value of a given number of units. Kaisa unit result tongnai. Suppose zekno number bini asuk cost ni bisuk value bisuk rang nang nai amo shungnai. In unitary method, they actually gives us some units to find the value of that, and we have to find and solve the problem. Ka problem solve khanya bagai chung pula ta ma khainai, and for solving that problem, first chung kainai value of 1 unit. First we will find the value of 1 unit. This is mostly important, and this finding the value of 1 unit is known as unitary method. Of 1 unit ni value karimani or method no unitary method hunjago.
After finding the value of 1 unit, we can find for multiple units. 1 unit ni value karibe chung multiple units ni karimano.
Unitary method have two aspects. Unitary method ni duita aspect tongo. Aspect mane like types. Kaisa hangkai to get more. Kabang ma karima jagao hangkai tam khainai chung multiply khainai. Kom karimani to get less gar ka chung divide khainai. There are two types of unitary method or two parts where they ask to get more. That time we will multiply, and when they ask to get less, then we will divide. So this is the whole process or whole method of unitary method. After that, now we are going to explain the example. We will see one example how this process actually works. Just for example, I took one question. If the cost of 15 bananas is rupees 58, find the cost of 35 bananas. We can solve it in two methods. I will show both the ways. First method I will show now. Here what is given is tam rizak angkashi example nai tak bujong nai. Angkai angkai sa hai example question na kha. Jodi bananas 15 bananas ni cost 48 angkai 35 bananas ni cost busuk nai. So for that abuni bagai duita method tongo. Ang duita method no funuk nai. Sekarang ang first method funuk granai oro. What is given is cost of 15 bananas rupees 58. Cost of 15 bananas rupees 58. First we will write this. 15 bananas ni cost besok sekang chung abo fina granai. And pore hingkai we have seen in unitary method that first we have to find the value of 1 unit. Pula chung value of 1 unit makari granai. So cost of 1 or use khanai. Cost of 1 banana kai besok nai. What will be the cost of 1 bananas then? We already know in unitary method to get more we multiply, to get less we divide. Unitary method to kabang kaina hangkai multiply khainai, less kaina hangkai divide khainai. Ora to 1. See here we can see 1 is less than 15, right? Ora chungnu go 115 is say less. So less to tam khaichung always to get less we divide. So 48 by 15 no divide khainai. Then we will proceed as pore chung tam khainai cost of 35 bananas. Cost of 35 bananas. Again we are coming back here. To get more we multiply. So 35 is obviously more than 1. 35 1 is a kotor. Apuni bagai chungtam khlainai to get more we multiply. 35 no multiply khainai abobai. So to get more we multiply. So we will multiply 35. 48 by 15 into 35. Here gives the answer. So hence rupees 112 is the cost of 35 bananas. This is just cutting with 5. 5 by 3. 5 3s are 15. 5 7 is 35, 3 16 is 48. 16 multiplied by 7 gives 112. Guy, or a cost of 35 bananas busuk 112. This is about the first method. Obonka first method. Tabunka second method hana sekang jeng first omobuji mana granai direct proportion or direct variation tamnohon. Direct proportion or what is direct proportion or direct variation? Two quantities are directly proportional. Duita quantities buffer directly proportional jodi kaisa bari khai te kaisa bari khai abuna direct proportion hanai. Jodi kaisa komi oi te kaisa komi khai same way abuna hanai direct proportion. Kheba direct variation bohon mano. So when we say it's direct proportion, if with the increase of one the other also increases to the same extent, and same in that way only with the decrease of one the other decreases, that time also it's known as direct proportion or direct variation. Let's take some examples here. Example number 1. Cost of articles is directly proportional. This is the proportional sign. Here the cost of articles is directly proportional to number of articles. Mane nung jesuk articles painai asung bini dambo bangnai. Amti kok. More the number of articles, more will be the cost. Work done. Number 2. Work done is directly proportional to number of men have work. If more men work, then the work done will be more. Jodi borak kebang hengkai, kebang ma kam khai. Number 3 is distance covered by a car is directly proportional to time it runs. Means more the distance car covers, more time it will take. Jesi lama o gari bethangai nyang asung shomoy bo nangnai. Gamono bini tinta examples. So these are the 3 examples. I hope it's clear. So second method. In second method, here we consider the cost of 35 bananas be rupees X. Second method to chung pula consider khainai 35 bananas ni cost rupees X. So more than articles. Here we consider bananas as articles. So we know that more articles, more cost. Got more bananas, obviously 15 is more 35. More bananas, more will be the cost of 35. So here we will write the bananas in one proportion. That will proportion to another one, that is the cost. So 15 by 35 equals to 48 by X. Number of bananas is directly proportional to cost. That's why equal sign. Now 15 we will crisscrossly we multiply. 15 into X equals to 35 into 48. Then X will take 15 this side. So after finding this, again we got 16 into 7. So X equals to 112. Hence the cost of 35 bananas is 112. Gar jengtam khagya 15 is to 35, 48 is to X. Tangoi because number of bananas sungkai bini cost by directly proportional. Directly proportional bagai chung am theke shiprora equals to sign rimano. So 15 into X crisscross multiply khainai for 35 into 48 khainai. Gai o X no yang toni 15 yang tlang khai cut khlake 16 by 7 manai 16 into 7 112. X ni value 112. Ngachung orana kha cost of 35 bananas sungkai rupees X mane hence the cost of 35 bananas is rupees 112. So asung no tini ni bagai. So up to today this much. Next ang tesa alka video tu hanyai. Next day I will bring more videos on interesting topics.